guys, welcome back to my channel. You don't know you're watching Life with MTK. So today guys, my daughter and my niece will be rating my outfits. So I have five outfits that I will be changing into, and they will rate it from 1 to 10. So you guys can also comment, tell me what you like about my outfit, what you don't like, and maybe a specific outfit, a blouse or whatever it is. Just tell me how it looks, and remember, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. Okay, let's get right into the video. So, how about this one?
I like your shoes. And your jumper.
Jumper.
This is
an all-in-one.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, nice. Love it black. And your face. And your ear. Your face and ear.
So how much is it? From
9.
1 to 10?
9.5.
Give it
9.5.
9.5.
She did 9.5.
Okay. On to the next round. So guys, this is my second outfit. Rate it in the comments. Let me know what you all think. So,
Alright. We give it a 7.5. We give it a nice easy 7. A 7 with
oh my!
nice easy 7.
I actually prefer this more than the first outfit, you know. Actually,
I like your shoes.
actually think I look.
I like pants. I like them pants.
I think cuter. I think I look cuter in this than the first one. So this is a 7.
Yes,
Okay.
I gave it 7.5.
7.5 and 7. Okay. How is this one?
It's
How much do I get for this one?
what?
Really?
No,
Really?
Guys,
Nothing. It's a 10.
It's a 10.
Guys, tell me what you think.
It's a
Is it a 10? So this is round 4. Nice long dress. I love long dresses. This dress is nice. How much do I get for this, guys?
Sorry about that tape. I like this.
Really?
I give it a 7. 7 minus.
I love long dress, so I would give myself a 10.
Masha, not say 7 minus. Not 7 plus. So that means a 6.
Ah,
Just get a 7. Just get a 7. I like the color. I color alone, I like.
Yeah.
I like long dress, you know, but I like they want the second palm. 7.
Okay. 7
And a 5.
and a 5. Alright. Time for the last round, which is round 5.
So we do this.
The last and final outfit. And guys, you are also my judges, so spam the comment section and let me know what you all think. How much does this one get?
I like the pants. The pants are 10.
I love the blouse.
The pants are 10 for me.
The pants
Blouse
are
are 2 for me.
The pants are one.
And the shoes are at 1 for me.
The pants is an 8 for me,
And the blouse is a 10 for me. So all of the outfits is a 10. The shoes is a no.
Okay. Okay then.
10 out of 10.
Yeah, 10 out of 10. But the shoe is not make
10 out of 10.
Well, you guys don't like the shoes. Okay. That's not bad.
Guys, we have come to the end of this video. Just let me know which outfit you prefer down in the comments below. And remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the post notification bell, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Peace out.